Here we have the BDR2900 multi-service router from BDCOM. This device is a next generation multifunctional switching router. It adopts the 64 multi-core processor, high-speed switching engine. It is a well-adapted router that supports full layer 2 and 3. The BDR series meets requirements for government, financial institutes, the defense system operators, and enterprises in network construction. Let's take a look inside. Well, here it is. Comes with the 8 gigabit Ethernet LAN switching ports. Over here we got the 2 gigabit Ethernet WAN ports that come in either fiber or copper.